Welcome to this tutorial on set-location, the PowerShell command for changing directories. Set-location is one of the fundamental commands you'll use when working with PowerShell's file system. It allows you to navigate between different folders on your computer, just like you would in File Explorer, but using commands instead of clicking. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to move around your file system efficiently using PowerShell. Set-location is a PowerShell Cmdlet that changes your current working directory. Think of your current working directory as your present location in the file system. When you open PowerShell, you start in a default location, usually your user folder. Set-location lets you move to any other folder on your computer. It's the PowerShell equivalent of the cd command that you might know from command prompt or Unix-based shells like Bash. The functionality is identical, just the full name is different. The basic syntax for set-location is straightforward. You type set-location followed by the path to the directory you want to navigate to. For example, set-location followed by c:\path / directory. This command will take you directly to that specified folder. You need to provide the complete path in quotes if it contains spaces, though quotes work fine even without spaces. Once you execute this command, your PowerShell session's current location will change to that directory. PowerShell provides several aliases for set-location to make your life easier. The most common one is cd, which stands for change directory. This is the same shortcut used in command prompt and Unix shells, so if you're familiar with those, you can use cd right away. There's also chdir, which is a DOS-style alternative. PowerShell also has SL, which is an abbreviation of set-location. All four options do exactly the same thing, so you can use whichever you're most comfortable with. Most people prefer cd because it's quick to type. Let's look at some practical navigation examples. To navigate to a specific path, you would type cd followed by c:\users\documents. This takes you directly to the documents folder. To move up one directory level, you use cd /. The two dots represent the parent directory of your current location. To go to your user home directory quickly, you can type cd \tilde. The tilde symbol is a shortcut that represents your home folder, which is typically c:\users / your username. Relative paths let you navigate based on your current location rather than specifying the full path. To move into a subfolder from your current location, use cd followed by /subfolder. The dot represents your current directory. You can also go up multiple levels and then into a different folder. For example, cd /./reports goes up 2 directory levels and then enters the reports folder. You can navigate through multiple subfolders in one command, like cd./logs/archive, which goes into the logs folder and then into its archive subfolder. Set-location has a parameter called path that you can use explicitly. The syntax looks like set-location --path followed by the directory in quotes, such as c:\projects. This explicit parameter syntax is useful in scripts where you want to be clear about what you're doing. You can navigate to different drives using this method too, like set-location-path followed by d:\backup files. The path parameter is actually positional, which means you don't have to write -path at all. You can just type set-location followed directly by the path, and PowerShell knows you mean the path parameter. Let's recap the key points about set-location. First, set-location is the command that changes your current working directory in PowerShell. Second, you can use cd as a familiar shortcut for quick navigation instead of typing the full Cmdlet name. Third, set-location supports both absolute paths, which specify the complete location from the drive root, and relative paths, which are based on your current location. Finally, this command is essential for file system operations and scripts, as many PowerShell commands work relative to your current directory. Mastering set-location will make your PowerShell experience much more efficient.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.